soon change. So if streak, then change. Another it's saying the opposite. If streak, then streak, bro. If streak, then streak. That's a better way to put it. If streak, then streak. Or then continue, I don't know. Okay. Now, why did we evolve to have if streak, then events change? Well, because we evolved with such a thing as independent events. Like, for instance, I don't bloody know. Or we've evolved in our algorithms is allowance for independence of events. So for instance, I don't know, these are not great examples, but if like you're hunting and you throw your spear and you miss twice, like give it another go. It could have just been in that case. It could have been you, yes, but it could have just been the wind. It could have been some fluke. So don't be like, oh no, I'm not able to throw. No, give it another go, dude. So that's why we have if streak then events change, and also it's just good. Like I mean, people would be suicidal if we didn't have that. If we didn't have sort of a natural instinct that a series of bad events are eventually going to get better. I mean, that's the problem with suicidal people, right? It's like, first of all, they don't notice some of the good things. Second of all, they exaggerate some of the bad things. And then third of all, whatever bad things there actually are that they may have exaggerated, and because they're not seeing the interruptions with good things, they're thinking that's the streak. And then they don't have the right architecture, the chemistry isn't feeding the it that says, oh, well, it's bound to change soon. And so they're like, well, it's just going to continue like this. I gotcha. That's great. Okay. Now, we also evolved with if streak, then streak, bro. If streak, then continue. It's also a good one because there are lots of situations in life where it's like, if we see a couple examples of a thing, let's assume the sequence, the pattern, especially if we see, yeah. And that's going to help with the in-group, out-group, or it's going to help with the out-group bias. Now, of course, we're not perfectly rational, so it's not like we only, the if streak then change, it only gets slapped when we know that the things are independent. Wait, hold on. So, the gambler's fallacy is that he is taking into consideration past events when those don't actually affect the odds. On the other hand, it is generally true. It might not be true in any given instance, but it is generally true that streaks of independent events don't last. So the problem in the gambler's mind, in the gambler's system, what we're dealing with here. So he has if streak, then events change, and that's fine. And so if he wants to take a long run of data and he takes a look at he doesn't take a look at the data. If he wants to talk to the casino about the last 1,000 spins they did, and he didn't see them, and he wants to bet on whether after